Hi, beautiful, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen, guys. D Dawn is in the kitchen. Yes, I'm not outside. I'm in the kitchen today and I'm bringing it to you. What I'm bringing to you? Yes, baked ham, brown sugar baked ham. You always get it right. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when we upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporters, subscriber, follower, silent watcher, passerby, a very big, warm welcome to you all, guys. Without you guys, I would be here on YouTube. And if you're always watching the video and you never yet subscribe and you feel like doing so today, just hit the subscribe button and hit the like. It's free to like. Also, guys, please become a member on the channel. Join the channel. To subscribe, it's different from becoming a channel member. So, let's get started. This is the ham, and this is a chunk of the ham. It already said chunk portion ham, and this is about 9.5 pounds. And with every pound of ham like this, it already have the bone in it. You see the bone? Yes, it have the bone. So with every 1 pound of ham, you're gonna give that ham 15 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes in the oven. So this is a ham, and for the glaze, we need the brown sugar. Gonna need honey, and you need some butter. You can use cinnamon powder and the sugar. You can use butter and sugar. There's so many ways you can do the brown sugar glaze. Shane, I'm gonna do about 2 of the brown sugar glaze and show you today. So let's open our ham. First, you're gonna need your roasting pan. Yes, you know this is about the third roasting pan I brought. When you buy them after time, you see they start to rust. So it better you buy the one to roast what you're doing, and then you just show it out. Yeah, just buy the disposable roasting pan, and you don't show out those things when you're done, because when you spend so much money buying these, they have, after time they just rust. So I got to use a file paper in it. So I'm gonna take the ham on the plastic and mark it have a lot of juice in it. You're gonna use back the juice on the ham. So just be careful and just let the juice out. You need a roasting pan, and we're gonna line this with some file paper because it rusts. So we put, and we're gonna place the ham in, and you're gonna place the meat part with the bone, place it down in the pan just like this. And you see it have a lot of fat. Let's turn it around. You see all this fat and all on it. It's gonna melt and the juice. We're gonna pour back the brine that come with the ham. We're gonna pour it back on it. Now here is a bottle of beer, Red Stripe beer. If you don't want to use a beer, guys, you can use water. So we're gonna apply the beer. It's gonna add so much flavor. In the meantime, you're doing all of this, preheat your oven to 325 and applied a little dry rub of all-purpose on the pork. After we finish all of that, guys, we're gonna cover with foil. Also, you're just gonna pour some water in it. So if you're cooking, you're gonna make the ham prepared, guys. Do not use the beer. You can just add water. So now we're just gonna lay up this. You have to seal this properly because you don't want the steam or the pork to dry out too quick. So you have to wrap it properly before you place it in the oven. And remember to preheat your oven to 325. So now this is it. You see every part is sealed. You don't want nothing to escape, none of the steam. You need it in the roasting pan. So now you're gonna follow me over to the oven, and we're gonna place this bad girl in the oven to bake. It's basically gonna take 2.5 hours. But before the half an hour, I'm gonna take it out and and then we're gonna base it. I'm gonna make the brown sugar glaze. So I'm going over to the oven now. Place it inside that oven. It's like festive time of the year again, you know, guys. Where everything needed for Christmas, Thanksgiving Day, all of that. Okay, friends, let us make our brown sugar glaze. And it's gonna be 1 to 2 teaspoons, 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. It depends on how sweet you want it. You can put more. Use some cinnamon powder. One tablespoon cinnamon powder. And of course, we're gonna add some honey. If you don't have the honey and you have maple syrup, you can use the maple syrup. It's gonna be 1 tablespoon of honey. And we're just gonna mix our glaze. And then we're gonna rest it in the microwave. You're just gonna heat it up just for 10 seconds in your microwave. If you don't have a microwave, you can heat it on the stove. So this is our glaze for brown sugar glaze for the ham. So the ham is in the oven for 2 hours, and I'm just going to remove it from the oven and put the glaze on. If you want your glaze to be sweeter, guys, there's no limit with the sugar. You can add more sugar and more honey to it. So we just, after 2 hours, remove the pork from the oven. Careful, man, you get steamy hot. Look at the color. So you have to ensure that you wrap it properly. And now we're gonna apply our glaze. You want to just paint it over on it. If you want to punch some hole in it so the glaze can soak down in it, it's up to you guys. So let's, I don't like to do this, but if you can just put some liquor so the glaze can penetrate inside. I just don't want my arm to be too sweet, so I don't use a lot of sugar. Just pour the glaze all over it. Guys, please remember to thumbs up, like and share the video. Hit the notification bell so you know when D-Dan upload a video. And please become a channel member. So now we're gonna place it back in the oven for a next half an hour. Uncovered, do not cover it. Our brown sugar glaze is now ready for eating. Guys, look how it look nice, man. And you know what is this on the side? It's grape. So all you have to do for decoration, just break the toothpick just like this and put it in the center of the grape just like that, and you stick the grape wherever you want to stick it. If you want to stick it there, just stick it down in it. So that's our decoration. So I'm so happy you stay up to watch me do this video, and I'm gonna cut a piece to show you how it's looking on the inside. Yes, where roast pork is ready for eating. I keep saying roast pork, it's not pork, ham. Our ham is not ready for eating. Guys, excuse me, excuse my mouth. This thing tastes so succulent. It's soft and juicy on the inside. I'm telling you, give it a try. And with the brown sugar, with the cinnamon powder, and the honey, and the boom. I thank you, beautiful people, for watching. Please take care of yourself, and remember to always give an eye out for each other. And if you don't have good to say, zip says nothing. From D-Dan Kitchen to Wear, your kitchen, and I see you on the next one.